Meaning of hard-headed.
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 Hard-headed. The term hard-headed is used to describe someone who is practical, unyielding, and stubborn in their thinking or decision-making. Such a person is often considered to be tough-minded and unsentimental, prioritizing rationality over emotions or opinions. This mindset can be both a strength and a weakness, as it allows one to make clear-headed decisions but can also result in inflexibility or an unwillingness to consider alternatives. Ultimately, being hard-headed means being focused on achieving one's goals, even if it requires persistence and determination in the face of obstacles.